Hold your horses. Unpacking the meaning of easy tiger. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and colloquial English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in casual conversation. We're going to unpack the meaning, use, and origin of the phrase, easy tiger. So, if you're ready to expand your English idiomatic knowledge, let's get started. When someone says, easy tiger, they're not talking about an actual tiger. Instead, they're using a metaphor to tell someone to calm down, slow down, or be less aggressive. It's a playful and informal way to caution someone when they're showing too much enthusiasm or energy. For example, if someone is very eager to open a gift and they're ripping the wrapping paper off wildly, you might say, easy tiger, you'll have it open in a second. This phrase is best used in casual and informal settings among friends or family. It's not appropriate for formal situations. Here's how you can incorporate it into dialogue. As a light-hearted caution, easy tiger, let's think this through before making a decision. To calm excitement, easy tiger, we have plenty of time to get to the party. When someone is angry or upset, easy tiger, let's talk about this calmly. Remember, the tone of voice is crucial when using this phrase. It should be friendly and not condescending. The exact origin of easy tiger is a bit of a mystery. However, it belongs to a category of expressions where an animal's name is used to address a person, likely drawing on the idea of a tiger being a symbol of ferocity or wild energy. Telling someone, easy tiger, invokes the imagery of calming a wild animal, which humorously exaggerates the need for the person to simmer down. And that's a wrap on the phrase, easy tiger. Next time you see someone getting a bit too overzealous, you'll know a playful and light-hearted way to remind them to take it down a notch. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll enjoy incorporating this phrase into your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and, easy tiger, you'll be a pro at English idioms in no time.